So here we have a Swatch, as you can see, is working. This is the Swatch in question with that battery in. So I'm going to replace the working battery into the other watch. So this is the working battery. This is going to go in here. I'm going to close that. Like this. And you can see it's definitely not working. I can set the time. So it's working, but it's not working. It's not right. That's far too slow. Yeah. Yeah. Before it wasn't working at all. Now it seems to be doing something, but still not. Yeah, not working right at all.